Yo, 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 Mr. Z into his house. So you want to make a quiz for a section, right? What's a section of the book? Well, here, I got the book right in front of you. There's the cover. I open it up. On the inside, you got 12 chapters. If I hit the plus here, open it up, I've got all the different sections. So if you write a quiz that covers one of these sections, so let's just pick a section. The first thing you need to do before you even start making your quiz is just read through the section. What you'll learn, core concept, midpoints and segment bisectors, using algebra with segment lengths, bisecting a segment, do the midpoint formula, the distance formula, all that stuff. So you want to cover everything that's in the section. You should be able to cover everything in 10 questions. So you're going to cover all this in 10 questions. There are going to be 10 multiple choice questions. You're going to do this in Google Forms. So you're going to go into your Google Drive. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to hit New. Under More is Google Forms. This gives us an untitled form. We'll call it Section 1.3 Quiz. So you got to come up with 10 multiple choice questions. I want to put a question here like, what does it mean to bisect a segment? Okay. So I have my options. I'll put cut the segment in half. Cut the segment into pieces. Double the segment. Cut the segment into thirds. So you got your first question. Okay. Now, we want to make sure that we turn this into an actual quiz. So I got to go over here to Settings. Quizzes. So we're going to go over to Quizzes. And we're going to click the button that says Make this a quiz. So now that you've made it a quiz, this new thing pops up down here that says Answer Key. So flip over to the Answer Key. And here, I'm going to give this up here how many points that is. I'm going to make that worth 1 point. And then I got to pick which answer is the correct best answer. We'll choose cut the segment in half. So now you'll see when you go back, you'll see, okay, well, you've got your correct answer marked, or your 3 distractors. So those are answers that seem reasonable but are wrong. They've got to be answers that seem like they could be true but aren't. Maybe I want to add a second question to my quiz. So I go up here, and there's the plus. You see I hover over it, and it says Add Question. So, say I'm done with my quiz. I got all 10 questions together. I'm going to send it. I'm submitting my quiz. I'm going to go over here to send via email to, you're going to type in MZ, oh, there I pop up. M. Ziegler, that's my school address. Okay. Send the form. All right, so if you have any other questions about this, then feel free to ask me in class. I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. I would also be more than happy to preview your quiz and give you some pointers before you actually submit it for a grade. Well, good luck with that.